Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix the Finals Playtest Beta login error. Okay, first things first, open Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Type Firewall in the search bar to find Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. In the left panel, click on Inbound Rules under the console tree. Search then for the Finals Playtest in the list of rules. And there should be two entries. Choose either one of the entries to proceed. Click on Advanced within the selected entry to access additional settings. In the Advanced settings, just look for Extra Barrel and click on it. Choose then Allow Extra Barrel and repeat these steps for the other entry of the Finals playtest. And as simple as it is, hopefully this solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix the Finals Playtest Beta login error. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!